If you're new to the video making game or you're still trying to find your stride on camera, I have an exercise and a challenge for you to help you feel more confident in your presentation. Today we're going to break down a process I call the elevator pitch video exercise. One of the first video projects I often create with clients is an introduction video that is on the homepage of their website or pinned to the top of their socials, explaining who they are and what problem they solve for their clients or customers. This exercise is the foundation of that video structure. We are going to practice saying three things: your name, the name of your business, and the problem you solve. Easy, right? This exercise is designed to be simple, and simple for a reason, because there are a couple of things that will make this whole video fall apart. Starting with the way you say your name. Our name is one of the only constants that has been with us since birth. It is the foundation of our identity. And yet it is the thing that we skim over the most when we sit down to record a video. Introducing yourself on video for the first time might sound something like this. Hi, my name is Rachel Tapscott and I help business owners create videos. I do not sound overly confident or sure of myself in that statement. Now let's adjust that sentence by putting a full stop after my name. My name is Rachel Tapscott. I help business owners create videos. Slightly different outcome. If you want to sound confident on video, start with the way you say your name. The second part of your elevator pitch is to introduce your business or your title. So I would amend that previous example to be something like this. My name is Rachel Tapscott. I run a video production and training business called That Camera Girl. Full stop. When you sound confident and sure of yourself, your audience will go, "Hey, she sounds really confident and sure of herself." Subconsciously, of course. Now you have their attention with your confidence and self-assurance. Let's finish it off with how you are going to solve their problem. My name is Rachel Tapscott. I run a video production and training business called That Camera Girl. I help business owners with all the technical stuff so you can get your message out into the world using video. When you are able to say these three things with conviction, like you mean it, like you actually believe it, you have set the tone for your future videos. When you believe yourself, when you believe the words that you're saying, your audience will believe them too. This exercise is about practicing how you speak on camera and getting used to the sound of your own voice and how you present yourself, because it does take a few attempts to get used to the way you sound and to feel comfortable looking at yourself on video. But it is possible to grow your confidence on camera with a little bit of practice, and it'll happen faster than you think. So, your challenge, if you're ready to start using video to help grow your business, is to film your elevator pitch, even if it's with your phone, and then post it on social media. If you're on Instagram, tag me at that_cameragirl when you do, because I can't wait to hear what your business is all about. Make sure you give this video a like, hit subscribe for more tips and techniques. Get those elevator pitches out there. Tag me on Instagram when you do, and I can't wait to see you next time.